Hello everybody and welcome to the CMC Markets Technical Insights video for the week of February 23rd. My name is Toby Genaro from Traded Precision, and I'll walk you through the charts here, what I'm looking at in terms of the NASDAQ markets, and take a look at some of the larger services and technology companies and what this index is doing here. We'll primarily focus on some of the larger time frames, kind of get an idea what the technicals might be telling us, but just a couple things here. Let me back out of some of these, or actually zoom in on the monthly chart. And you can see the monthly chart if you've been following this. I mean, this has just been a huge run, right? And you can see whenever the markets start to go parabolic like this, where they start to just go straight up on some large candles. I normally don't like that, but boy, this market just really seems unstoppable. But we have the 10, the 20 period, the 50, the 200 period, all in just beautiful alignment. Everything just fanning out really nice. I'd really like to see a pullback all the way back into this zone right here. Maybe that would give us maybe something between this swing high and swing low, maybe a 50% pullback. See another bullish candle right back there on the in that buy zone between the 10 and the 20 period. I think would be really advantageous. We don't have that right now. We have a little bit of overextension from the moving averages. Not too bad. Don't mind it. We have nice convergence, simply meaning higher highs on the indicators along with higher highs in the price action, which I still like a lot. Tells me that there's still some strength in this trend, and we can still potentially look for for trading opportunities going along in the direction of that trend. Let's scale it back and take a look in a little bit more detail at the weekly chart. And you can see kind of what things have been doing here since the last pullback. And pretty common, these pullbacks into the buy zone, we're getting some nice small candles right there, which are really aligning after about, 3 or 4 weeks. Get a nice bullish candle setting up, and then the thing just takes off for a long period of time, almost several months. Had a little bit of a setback right here, but obviously that bullish candle there really set off the next couple of months of a run. So we're getting a similar pullback in and around that buy zone between the 10 and the 20 period. This one's kind of right down around that 10 period moving average, which is fine. We don't have a bullish candle here yet, so we might have to go down a time frame and take a look and see what's happening on the daily chart, and then look to figure that out. But for right now, we pretty much have the indicators going flat, which I don't mind very much at all. Still tells me that the trend is still strong to the upside, and we can continue trading that going forward. So let's take a look at another time frame here, look at the daily. And you can see the daily where the pullbacks into this buy zone have just been fantastic. Nice small candles. I love small candles because it means I'm taking the break of the high of that candle with my stop just above the low. Small candles means it keeps my risk small as well, and that's always great when I'm trading this trend flow strategy. So all of these pullbacks, usually very short and brief, into the buy zone, sets up a nice bullish candle, break at the high, and then we're just off to the races again. And you can see here a number of times where it's set up, these nice bullish candles in that buy zone. Here, a little bit different. We've got an equally deeper pullback as we just had on the last one, a little bit deeper than what I'd like. We have a closeout of this candle, which means that it is a bearish candle, so we don't have a bullish candle yet. So I'm not going to be looking for a long trade until we get a small bullish candle. Sometimes when you get these long candles like this, it happens just like this, and then the next day you get the large bullish candle. But we got to wait for that bullish candle to set up tomorrow and to close out bullish before we basically have our entry and our risk defined. We can't trade on these candles as they're moving because we don't know what the ultimate high and what the ultimate low is, and that doesn't give me the ability to gauge a precise entry or a precise stop loss. So all I know is that price is back in the zone between the 10-20 period moving average, albeit a little bit below, but very quickly we could have a bullish candle tomorrow that sets up, and that could set off the next run, just like this one did for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost 10 days, a 2-week run. We could have this, 5-day pullback, and everybody's feeling a little bit negative, but all of a sudden we're right back in the buy zone. A nice bullish candle is going to set us up for potentially another run to the upside. And the way technology's been moving, I wouldn't doubt that too much at all. But for the most part, there's nothing that is guaranteed in the market, so we always need to have a stop loss in for in terms of protecting ourselves in case the market goes against our position. So I'll be looking at that for any trades that I find going along in the direction of the upward trend. So I hope that technical analysis helps. Have a great rest of the week trading, and we'll look forward to talking to you next time. Take care.